Hey there, are you looking to get your Craigslist ads in front of more eyeballs? Well, today we're diving into some innovative and effective strategies on how to get Craigslist ads seen by more people. Whether you're selling a car, renting out an apartment, or promoting a service, implementing these tactics will help maximize your ads' reach. Step 1. Craft a compelling headline. Your headline is the first thing people see, so make it count. Utilize clear and specific languages to convey the essence of your ad. Keywords that potential buyers or renters might search for should be included. For example, instead of nice couch for sale, try stylish mid-century modern couch. Excellent condition. This not only captures attention, but improves searchability. Step 2. Optimize your category and location. Properly categorize your ad to ensure it appears in relevant searches. Craigslist offers a range of categories and subcategories. Choose the one that best matches your offering. Additionally, set the correct location to target local audiences effectively. Being specific about your neighborhood or area can help local users find you quickly. Step 3. Use high-quality images. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and on Craigslist, it's no different. Include clear, high-resolution images that accurately represent what you're offering. Show multiple angles and highlight key features. Good lighting and clean settings make a big difference in attracting clicks. Step 4. Post at the right time. Timing is key when it comes to online visibility. Aim to post your ad during peak browsing hours, such as evenings or weekends when more users are online. Avoid posting during midweek work hours, as fewer people may be browsing Craigslist during those times. Step 5. Repost strategically. Since Craigslist organizes listings chronologically, newer posts appear at the top. Repost your ad every couple of days to keep it near the top of search results and in front of potential customers. Be mindful of Craigslist rules regarding reposting frequency, as overdoing it may result in a flagged account. Step 6. Leverage keywords and tags. Incorporate relevant keywords throughout your ad's title and description. Think like a potential customer and use terms they would search for. Avoid keyword stuffing, but be strategic in your placement to enhance visibility. Utilize tags to further categorize your ad and make it searchable. Step 7. Provide detailed descriptions. A detailed, well-written description helps buyers make informed decisions. Include pertinent details such as dimensions, condition, age, and any special features of the item or service. Don't forget to provide contact information and terms of sale. Step 8. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your ad's performance by noting the number of inquiries or sales generated. If your ad isn't getting the desired attention, tweak elements like the headline, images, or keywords until you find the right formula that resonates with your audience. By focusing on these strategies for how to get Craigslist ads seen by more people, you can enhance your ad's visibility and effectiveness significantly. Craft compelling headlines, use stellar images, and time your posts wisely to capture the attention of potential buyers or renters. Remember, the key to success on Craigslist is being proactive, strategic, and consistent. Best of luck with your listings.